Summertime and the bees are foraging for nectar and honey. The hive is very busy. A honeybee may visit 1,000 flowers before returning to her hive. At times the hive entrance can become very busy. To look closer, you need protection and smoke to calm the bees. There may be around 50,000 bees in summer. Nearly all are sisters, worker bees who may have duties in the hive. After 4 weeks, they themselves will begin foraging. Some cells are filled with honey. The few male drone bees can be identified by their bigger eyes. Their only role is to mate with the queen, and they will die in the process. When the hive wants a new queen, the workers build a special large cell and feed one grub royal jelly. Once the cell is closed for final development, the old queen leaves the hive together with half the colony, and they take lots of honey with them. They leave as a swarm, and they're looking for a new home. A beekeeper may collect the swarm, here in a temporary basket. When the new queen hatches, she flies out to mate, then returns to live in the hive. She controls the colony with her pheromones, and her main role is to lay eggs. She will lay over 1,000 eggs each day. She's looked after by her daughters, who attend to her every need. She will live for 2 to 3 years. The eggs in the open cells develop into grubs which are cared for by nurse bees, then sealed in to become a new bee, who slowly chews and wriggles her way out. This one took 12 minutes to get out of her cell, and during that time she was fed by her nursery bees. She will then live for 6 weeks, working in the hive for 4 weeks, going out to forage towards the end of her life. She passes nectar to the hive bees, who make it into honey and seal it into cells. When there is enough honey in the hive to share, the beekeeper will take some too, to be filtered and enjoyed.